My name is Justin Mahana. I'm Administrator of Corporate Fleet Management for Southwest Gas Corporation. Southwest Gas Corporation is a natural gas distribution company in the tri-state region of Arizona, California, and Nevada. Our fleet size is vehicles and equipment is about 2,600 units. So we have a very diverse fleet. We have anywhere from Class 1 passenger vehicles to Class 8 tractors on the vehicle side, mostly being medium-duty service-type vehicles. On the equipment side, we have trailers, yellow iron, backhoes, compressors, small towables, and pretty much anything in between. Prior to FleetWave, a big challenge we had was visibility of the data. We had a fleet information system that was difficult to use. It had all the information, but trying to get that information out and making it usable and relevant was extremely difficult. FleetWave has been able to take the vehicle data, whether it be specifics on the vehicle or maintenance data, scheduling, things like that, and bring it to the top and have that visibility on what the fleet is doing from day to day. Probably the most frequently used feature is the reporting and the report builder, the query builder. It's very robust and easy to use, even for someone without any programming experience. I would recommend Chevin because of the robustness of the software, the capabilities of the software, and the level of support that we've received after implementation. With any issues or questions or anything like that, just the level of support has been top-notch.